Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this authorization revoked 611 error on PUBG Mobile. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you're having the issue to connect via Facebook or Google, your Gmail account, then this video is for you. All you have to do is, for example, if you are trying to sign in with Facebook, you want to go to your Facebook, then go to settings. On settings, you want to scroll down until you will see your activity and permissions and apps and websites. You want to click on that. And after that, you want to go ahead and basically turn on the apps, websites and games. Basically give them permission. You want to turn that on. Now if you want to sign in with your Gmail, then you want to go to your Google, then click on your profile and click manage your Google account, then click the data and privacy, and then scroll down until you will see apps and services and third-party apps and services. So you want to click on that, then click on the gear icon and just make sure that sign-in prompts are turned on. And that's pretty much it. After that, you will be able to sign in to PUBG Mobile. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.